Ever needed to create a repeating sequence like this? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? These are called collated lists, and today I'll show you how to build them. We'll start with a simple formula and build it up. We're going to start off with a sequence function, and the argument in there, we're going to say 10. Now, if you were to put the second argument as 1, and then put 0 as the third argument, what it does is it creates one column starting with 0, and so on. For the collated list, you've got to have a repeated value for X number of times and then repeat again. In order to do that, you can use the mod function above the sequence function like this. So the mod function, the first argument will be sequence, followed by the number of repeats it's going to have. I'm going to say 3 here, and what it does is it's going to repeat with 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Now, if you want to start with 1 instead of 0, all you have to do is you have to plus 1 at the back. And there you go. It starts with 1, 2, 3, and starts 1, 2, 3. Now, this is called a collated list. That's it.